Prepare mo na natin, sure smashing like. Oh. Super missile pa talaga. Super missile. Brinstar. Ano to? Galaxy. Good Egg Galaxy. Sige. Kuha tayong isa pang star dito.
It's still early. It's still 1 a.m. I ended so soon.
Early enough as it is. Yeah.
Okay. Bago ako mag-save, i-off. Okay, I get it. Of course, the one and only. You can I done it back right there. Yeah. Oh boy. So I have to talk to that penguin.
Yes.
Bingo.
Oh, don't. Sawatika, sawatika, sawatika.
Puro gunpowder ah. Ano?
Wait.
I've just prepared a sample of the G-Virus, and this time, no one will take it from me. This is the most...
Don't tell me point of no return na tong zone na to. Hindi naman ah.
Tagalangan. Mas scars pa ako sa first aid spray dito. Buisit yan.
Anong kailangan kong gawin upang...
Meron, akala ko yung ginagawa ni
Let's get shocking.
Pagkasabi nyo kasi kanina, parang
random yan? O sige. But don't worry, Mr. Cypher, about those other stages. I will continue that off-screen. My true purpose of this stream is to clear the game. That's all that matters.
As of this time, and all the please watch your replay of the stream. Likewise, don't forget to like, share, and follow Daddy CD Facebook KD page and the Sweat Potato Twitch, AK channel for more awesome games. More Resident Evil games na lalaroin ko.
Oh, EMAC. Okay, this time, tatapusin ko na yung second half. And, tatanunin ko na si Bowser doon. Ano ba Dan? Naabutan na rin sa wakas. Actually, paumpisa ko pa lang at isa pa. Stage. Siyempre, kuha mo na ako ng maraming extra lives dito. Thanks for oh, never mind.
Don't know where I am. Don't look at me. Pero try mo muna ang shinobi to.
World of Fishing Key.
Okay. Alam puti. Ay! Walang hiya. Umuwi pa ako. Okay, let's go. Let's go back. Don't tell me. Of course, inumpisahan ko yung game and tumigil ako sa may storage room ba yan? Oh, bilis. Then, 2 beses ko
So baby, come and inject me.
So baby, I'm just a man. Patulog na ako tayo.
Thanks, sir. But don't worry, Mr. Cypher, about those other stages. I will continue that off stream. My true purpose of this stream is to clear the game. That's all that matters.
Tignan natin kung hindi kayo mapapasa.
Ito yung facility na to, yan yung sa ano, yung rocket launcher, no? Wait. Baka may magkamali ako ng ano dito.
Napanood yung The Penguins of Madagascar.
Tulog kita. Well, it's good to see you again, Toads. Okay. The moment of truth. Maybe look. Ready, set, go.
to hand them their document and then above else. Remember that if you find anything suspicious, contact your boss immediately. If you forget the password to lock the door, try and remember that it is a word that everyone is familiar with. Don't forget that once a new product
Aray! Oh, iMac. Okay, this time, tatapusin ko na yung second half. And, tatanunin ko na si Bowser doon. Ano ba Dan? Naabutan na rin sa wakas. Actually, paumpisa ko pa lang at isa pa. Siya. Teka.
Wala munang aalis. Yan. Here's my raid command mga kaibigan. Yan. And then, ito na lang.
At salamat sa paggantay.
kitang-kita ba ako dito? Nakatago na
Balik
ako,
ko na sa taas.
kita pa rin ako nung
Kay tagal ko nang nawala, babalik ka rin. Babalik ka rin. Yun lang. Oh, I have to learn here. 1, 2, 3. Wipe. Gotcha! Hirap naman ito. Dulong-dulo, mali ako. Mag-speed key ako until this part.
William. Oh my. Hold on, darling. I'm taking care of that bullet wound first. Stay here.
Nakalinga.
Let's check it out, Ridley. Cell naman dito eh. Mga inner chip lang.
You must be the queen bee. And who might you be? A physician? We pursue? No matter. We are.
Chips! You're gonna get hungry if you don't eat chips.
Yeah, so chips tonight. Bye.
bibili mo. Kay Nemesis, well, I doubt it.
Nako, tingnan natin. Pag nakuha mo yung all weapons, wala sa chest yung air gatling. Ah, okay. Yeah, that's the basic position.
Ay! Kaganda sa ano yun ah. Ay! Yung sa Apes Odyssey.
Total, isang beses ko lang mga kalaban Ano ba yan? Nako, hinahabol ako ni Memsis. Nakuha ko na yung mga items din. Ang dami ko na paulit-ulit na attempts. Kahit na naka-easy mode ako. This time, i-activate ko yung cable car and mag-proceed na ako sa clock tower. Guys, Sir Pao, ito ba yung final showdown, yung pintong yan?
Kala ko Samurai Showdown.
Kung final showdown yan, nako. Second to the final. Ayun, yun. Sige, hindi ko manayari. Sunbaked Sandcastle. I encountered Nemesis.
Xbox 360 was clearly the best console for the Xbox platform.
Si 360?
Yes,
Alam mo ba,
Xbox
Godford, si Xbox 360 nakakapag 360 dunk yun? What the fuck? Putang inang yan!
That's just nice.
What the fuck? Anong klase yan?
Laboratory na pala to. Ay, patapos na pala ako. Mukhang 5 papel ang gusto ni Slenderman ah. Grabe. Chapter 2. Starbits. Days passed with no sight of the comet or even a single planet.
Nanguhula na naman talaga.
Ano yan? Teka.
Manghuhula
Combo ba siya? Kunyari, bumaril ako ng ng freeze rounds.
Ah, fuck!
Then magdamay ka ng flame, may na damage freeze.
Cute kasi ako tapos sumagay
di kaya regular rounds. Okay, may regular rounds naman ako eh. May regular rounds naman ako eh, kaya susulitin ko to.
Magdodrawingan.
Awit! Ba yung may butas? Ay, may... Ay, ito yung may butas.
Hulk not smash cause Hulk not subscriber.
May ka. Present! I'll go on the other side. I don't mind if I spoil the bit, guys. I saw the ending anyway. But I wanna see the ending in pink.
Love video pare. Puta ka na yan.
Yung rocket launcher, okay. Kung rocket launcher yan, totoo yan. Well, that is, kung nilaro ko na maraming beses yung Mercenaries. Aray!
Saan pa pala dito yung
Ay, putik ka.
Di ba sinabi mo kasi may emerald gem dito, di ba?
Wala ka ba na po nakuha doon?
Restaurant.
Patugtog nga, nasara ko.
Restaurant? So wait, dapat
Pag
pala
restaurant ang una mong pinunta.
talaga ng mga zombie doon. Tayo nang yan. Tadang, tadang. Tapos napaano ako doon. Parang naano ako doon eh. Parang napatulala ako for a few seconds until parang gonna give it to you. Open up the chest, man.
Kanina lamig. Ngayon naman ang init. Teka, check ko kung may okay. As expected. Before they left, he packed all the essentials: telescope, butterfly net, stuffed bunny, bread, milk, jam, and apricot flavored tea. But dandaan sa lang.
What the fuck?
Bali Magnum. Spoilers, but since nakalimutan ko na to, I'll take it. Thanks.
Yeah. Yun lang. Hindi siya major spoiler or anything like that. Just bring it. Yun lang. You'll know why.
Alam ko na. Baba. Oh, kabayan Nikki Makinyana, thanks for smashing like.
Teka, saan na yun? Laro na muna ako. Okay. Just like before, papasok ako.
Yeah, I know, 60. Look. If you can see it. Yoda. Oh, Bitcoin Queen! Yeah, thanks for dropping by here. Yo, thanks guys. Yeah, 2 left. Yeah, just 5. Bad trip.
Sige. Sige, let's go with this na lang. Gusto ko sanang suotin to yung chameleon spell so I can disguise, you know? I can sneak inside enemy.
Yup to all. I can't stream all of you at the same time though. Dennis Anderson also Scotty thanks for smashing like Sanggala papalit.
Yan.
Balikan ko yung taas ha. Hindi ako nag-save. Aksar. Welcome back sa...
Kung gusto mong kumuha grenade rounds, oo.
Oh, sige. Uy. Meron pa pala dito. Hindi, ayoko ma-damage.
Marami yan.
Wala something too big. Oh! Now he spins. It's a nerd.
Sayang lang si Mike Matei. Umalis kasi siya sa Cinemassacre. Siya yung si Mike Matei. He used to be the one who made the title cards about AVGN at that time.
This is awesome. This is awesome. Normally, after talunin si Mother Brain, tapos na ang laro mo. Wala ka ng purpose dito. Shit! Yeah! Maganda raw Galaxy. Ah, I see what you mean. Sige. Switch version ang lalaroin ko mga kaibigan. Press R. Alam ko na! Come and get me! Thank you! This is just Spark shot. Spark shot ka lang pala eh. Nag-shape pa.
Dinosaur, yay!
Dino Crisis kasi.
Ano ba? Yun. Sorry.
Nagkit yung intact sa bibig tuloy, sa daliri ko.
Ang dumi
Bilis sabi mo, nabubulol ka na rin, oh.
sa bibig. Diretso sa save area. Bago sa may save area. Yung sa kinuhanan ko ng Barya Sur. Lah. One. Don't step on that.
Na-oust na since na next step daw na si Herman at nagkaroon ng na complete restructuring overall. So, yung mga games na required ng PSN, hindi na siya mandatory. Remove na siya.
This enough para laban. Okay, Bowser. I'm coming. Hello, Bowser. It's true. Here we go. Yo, what's up, guys? Good day. This is Dan Dice and welcome to the live stream. Now it's time to play some more Metroid Zero Mission. Last time, na-reach ko na... Successfully tinalo ko na si Mother Brain. And... Pagkatapos pati yung bala ng yung magazine. My God. Oh my God.
Not bad for a man wall. Well, I'm a fish on my word. This is yours, buddy.
Just enjoy.
Tatlong bag lang gagawin mo. Roman 1, Roman 3, letter A.
Dapat isa lang. 67, 33. Kailangan 33.
What are these things? All right, that's far enough. Don't move.
By the way, we still have 8 minutes.
Oh my God!
Aggressive pa kayo mga...
You might want to check what songs do I have.
Oh my fuck. Yan ang hirap. Hindi ko alam kung oh my god, I'm gonna have a foursome! Help! Oh wait, so I have to manual.
Okay. Lah, meron sa taas.
Makakalaban ko yung worm, no?
Ape, sinusulit ko yung handgun.
Ano dyan?